The 2010 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, 4-wheel ABS, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.